What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? I am Davidgotkicks. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now for today's video, I will be doing an experiment. I'll be doing a custom pair of shoes today, but the catch is one will be prepped properly and the other one will not be prepped properly. The reason behind this video is because after doing all of these customs on YouTube, I always get asked these questions. How durable is the paint that I put on the sneakers? Will the paint crack? Do I need to prep the leather? Why are your customs so trash? Okay, that one is... I just had to get that out. I'm sorry. You know what they say, don't let the comments get to your head, but you know, sometimes they just... So for today's experiment, I'll be prepping one shoe and the other one I will just be painting straight on with no preparation. The sponsor for today's video, well, there is no sponsor, but if you guys want to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, if you guys have been following me for a while, you would have known that I had a vlog channel before and then I just stopped uploading on there. Well, 3 years later, I am back uploading and consistent on there. I already got 3 videos that I dropped last week, and I have more information if you guys are wondering why I stopped uploading on that channel. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to that channel. But yeah guys, this is a video that I've been wanting to do for quite a while and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. And of course, if you guys want to pick up any of the materials that I use in this video, I will leave a link in the description down below for Angelus Direct. Angelus Direct is the #1 and only spot to go to when it comes to customizing and restoring sneakers. So yeah guys, without wasting any more of your precious time, sorry this intro was a bit long, but let's get right into today's video. Subscribe to my vlog channel, Davidgotkicks. So the next thing that I will be doing is getting out the foam tax cleaner and begin cleaning up the shoe. It's okay if the shoe isn't completely white because we're gonna just paint over everything anyways, but let's just remove a lot of the dirt that it has and some of the stains. So yeah, let's begin. Alright you guys, we have finished cleaning both of the sneakers, and are they both perfect? Nope. But they're a lot cleaner than they were before, and we were able to scrub off a lot of the gunk that the shoes had on it before. It's time to get out the leather prep and the glazer, and once I get out the leather prep and the glazer, I will begin to paint the shoes identically to each other. The reason we gotta use leather prep and the glazer before customizing any sneaker is because it removes the factory finish on the shoe, which means the paint can adhere better onto the leather. That's why it is a must that everybody uses leather prep and the glazer. But yeah, just giving you a quick update, let's continue to the video. Alright you guys, just finished up the first sneaker and this is the shoe that I prepped. The next sneaker that I will be doing, I will not be prepping, but I will be painting it the exact same way. So yeah, let's continue. Boom! A couple things I want to say is I didn't paint the wings logo just because I knew that was going to take too much time, and this video was mainly for a project, experiment type, and I feel like that didn't really matter for this custom. If it was any other custom, if I was doing it for someone else, of course, you know, I would do it. Usually for a custom like this, I would add a matte finish. As you can see, the purple and the yellow is a bit shiny, but for the sake of this custom, I don't want to add any finishers and I just want to let them be as is. As well as the sock liner, you can see I didn't paint the whole thing, that I just did the rim of it, just because I didn't want to spend all that time painting that unnecessary area when this is just an experiment. I gotta mention all of this because I know there's still gonna be people in the comments saying that I should have done those areas. Part 1 was the custom and part 2 is gonna be the actual experiment, where I'm gonna take both these shoes to different terrains, doing crease tests and showing you all the behind the scenes of what I walk through in these customs. That video is gonna take a little longer to do, but I will have that out this week. But anyways guys, I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the part 2 now, and I will talk to you guys next time for the next video. Let me know what you guys do think about this custom. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications on to know when I post the part 2. But yeah, it is your boy Davidgotkicks, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, David Got Vlogs.